Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube, and today we're talking about the LockNLube Grease Buster. This is a tool engineered to clear out clogged grease fittings. In order to clear out the clogged fittings, what this tool does is it uses a piston and this chamber filled with solvent to force the solvent in and create a chemical reaction that breaks down the clog. So once you fill this chamber up with a solvent, that could be penetrating oil, could be diesel, whatever you've got around, just be sure it's not an aerosol. If you put an aerosol in here, all those tiny little air bubbles are going to make this piston bounce around like a pogo stick once you start hitting it. So you fill up the chamber, you seat the O-rings there, and you grab your hammer once this is on the fitting and you start tapping. And I do mean tap it. The point here is not to smash the clog out of the way. It's to create enough vibration and pressure that you work that solvent in there, and then the solvent starts that chemical reaction. That's going to break down the clog and flush it out. So you tap this in, that's going to force the solvent in, give it a little time to work, and then it'll flush right out. Now, to talk a little bit about the features of this grease buster and what makes it unique. We've put some texture on the back of the piston. That's so that when your hands are oily and greasy, you can still get a good grip on it and pull it out, because there is a tight fit with this and the chamber. We use 2 O-rings that have been tested to multiple tons of pressure so that you're not going to get any leaking out the back, and all the pressure is going to go right into that fitting. We also use a hexagonal bar stock for the chamber itself. That gives you a nice good grip on this while you're working with it. And a 4-jaw grease coupler with an adjustable ring here is going to allow you to loosen it up to get on the fitting, snug it down once you're on there, and make sure that all that solvent is going right into the fitting. So, thanks very much for watching, and for more information on this and all of our other products, check out LockNLube.com.